Gates open, that up and racing, two-horse slow out, Happy Boomer and Fool's Gold. Etchage draws 4-year lead, running in second, Rockefeller, down in third, moving up is Discovery Pick. Queen's Quest running by the rail fourth, then followed by Fool's Gold and Happy Boomer. Past the last 900, Etchage in command by about 2 lengths. Running now in second by the rail Discovery Peak and still moving up. Then running in third Rockefeller. Queen's Quest remains in fourth. Then comes Happy Boomer and Fool's Gold as they pass the last 600. Etchage back to a length and a half lead. Discovery Peak remains in second, closing in third. Dysentery number 4, Rockefeller, Queen's Quest. Then comes Happy Boomer, Fool's Gold as they turn for home. Is still setting the pace. This one is the favorite. Etchage maintaining a 2 lengths lead over Discovery Peak in second. Running now in third, Queen's Quest and Dottie outside Rockefeller. With the last 75 meters from start to finish, it's all Etchage. Second, Queen's Quest, Discovery Peak took third. Then comes Rockefeller, Happy Boomer, and Fool's Gold.